How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can view your deleted photos and messages on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that somebody sends you a message, but then they simply delete that message. How do you go ahead and view it? Well, I have to tell you that there is a specific way to view it, and that is through your phone's feature, which is called notification history. Now if you're lucky and you have this feature on your phone by default, you can go ahead and enable that option. But if you do not have this feature, well, in that case also you can simply try to make use with the third-party apps that are available on your Play Store. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and then open up settings, and once you open up settings, you want to go to notifications, and here you have to select advanced settings. Once you go to advanced settings, here you'll find notification history. You want to make sure that this toggle is actually turned on. Now when this notification history is turned on, no matter whoever someone sends you a message, and then even if they happen to delete this message, you'll successfully be able to see that specific message even after they've deleted it. So as in the earlier case, let's say that you actually deleted somebody's message over here, somebody happened to delete it, but as long as you had received a notification and then you go within the notification history section to see the recently dismissed one, your phone is going to keep track of those notifications and keep a record of it, which means that even if it is deleted, you can go ahead and then view it right after. That's all it takes to view and see deleted messages on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.